This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, a 4-speed automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a premium audio system, chrome wheels, and a limited slip differential. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk sensing headlights, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Matt Kike Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 7201 South Interstate Highway 35 in Georgetown.